Hello, third grade families. Okay, so I just want to give you guys a quick little update about our new week coming up of April 6th. The first update that I want to give you is that I will be having office hours Monday and Wednesday. Monday office hours will be 1 to 3, and Wednesday's office hours are 9:30 to 11:30. I have posted the link in the email along with this video. But I wanted to take some time and just kind of walk you through our new learning activities. The district's expectation is that as teachers, we need to put out 3 literacy activities and 3 math activities that the students must do to complete. So the learning activities are going to look a little bit different for this week, so that's why I want to take some time and walk you through them. So I'm just right back at the e-learning third grade site where I have posted the literacy must-dos. So this is what the mats are going to look like. So the literacy must-do week of April 6th, the first must-do that the students need to complete is Brave Girl. They need to go to Google Classroom, click on Brave Girl, and start the learning activity. After they're finished, make sure that they look out for some feedback. The second and third must-do, so the second must-do is that they need to join myquiz.com, type in the quiz's code. They need to use their real first name, and the expectation of the quizzes is that they have to get 75% or higher on this activity to move on. They can take the test as unlimited amount of times until they reach that 75%. The third must-do is the Newsela climate change. They go to Google Classroom, click on Newsela climate change. They start the learning activity. During the learning activity, there's something called Flipgrid. It will ask for a username. It's just their student password. Okay, so that's the literacy must-do. And then this is going to be their may-do choices. So after they finish their must-do for math and literacy, this is the may-do choice that they're going to have to do. They're going to have to choose one of these 3 choices. So the first choice is iReady Reading and Math. They're going to go to Clever, log in. They're going to work on reading or math until they get at least 40 minutes and a past lesson. They're going to rotate between reading and math. Please make sure that they're rotating and not just sitting on math only, that they're also doing reading. The second choice is the math facts. So you could do this multiple ways. So studying your multiplication and division facts for a total of 30 minutes. It can be at different times. You can do this via reflex, paper, or a mixture of the 2. Choice 3 is read and discuss. They're going to either read a personal book or read a book on Epic for at least an hour this week and start a conversation with me on Google Classroom. I will try my best to check daily, but I think I will be able to do that. Okay. So that's the may-do choices, and they need to choose one of those 3 activities to do after they finish their must-do activities. So now let's head over to the math activities learning board. So here's the same thing. So it's the math must-do. Their first must-do is the multiply and divide. Here are the steps. Their second must-do is the quizzes. Same thing. They're going to join myquiz.com, enter the code, use their name. The third must-do is going to be fluently multiply and divide. Same thing. Here are the steps. And then here are the must-dos that are also posted. Here's what it looks like on Google Classroom. So it's just going to say week of April 6th. And then Brave Girl must do first, grammar quiz must do second, Newsela multiply and divide, multiplication, quizzes, fluently multiply and divide, and then here's the may do choice for choice 3, read and discuss. Also on Google Classroom, I have put on stream videos that will help guide the students through their new learning boards. And then I have also put the literacy must do and math must do learning boards up on here. Okay, my final thing, I know that looks like a lot of work, but each learning board, so literacy and math will take up to 2 hours each, so 4 hours total. This does not have to be done in one sitting. Please do not make your kiddo do this all in one sitting. This is a week's worth of work. And some examples of times of how they can get this work done is like if they do 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, because I know a lot of families are sharing devices. I know a lot of families have a lot going on. So if you just dedicate 30 minutes in the morning for learning, 30 minutes in the afternoon for learning, the kiddo should be able to get done by Friday. Same thing applies if they want to do something longer, and you could do an hour in the morning, hour in the afternoon. That will also help them get through all their work for this week. I'm trying to think of any other questions that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of with this learning board. I think that's all I have about the learning boards, is that this is a week's worth of work, and I've set it up so that it could be independent, and I've also set it up where if you want to sit next to your child and help guide them through stuff, then you are welcome to do that. But in most of these cases, the students should be able to do this independently, and they're very capable of doing this independently. So if you have any other questions or any other concerns that you want to reach out about, please don't hesitate. I would love to help support or answer any questions. I hope that this has helped, and thank you for watching, and good luck on the learning activities this week.